Mommy.
Okay, mommy's gonna take a video. So let's see. This is, whoops. This is the one that Bubba and Boom Boom want. Chrissy, which one are you gonna decide? Which one do you want?
He said both.
Let me see.
He said both different ones.
Say that again. I can't hear you.
Mommy, my Cusito brain is said that's both different dragons. Or both different Bakugans.
Your brain is telling you to get both Bakugans?
Yeah. Because my brain loves two different Bakugans. Either that one, either that one.
I know, baby, but remember we said we were just gonna get one, right?
I want to get this one then.
Okay. Which one are you gonna get?
This one, Master.
Okay. That's a good idea. Look at mommy. Maybe we can get this one next time, alright?
Yeah, which one? I don't remember what last time I got it from. That one or middle one or the bottom one?
I'm not sure, baby. I don't think it matters. I think they're all the same.
Oh yeah, maybe.
You want to put it in the middle one?
Maybe, yeah.
Be careful, baby, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just cool. Let go, my friend.
Okay, I just want to make sure you don't fall.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna get these three. You alright?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay, hold your Bakugan.
Okay.
And let's head out of here.
Yes, get out of here. Does it angry hippo and make noise right there?
Oh, it's Jumanji.
Does it make a hippo?
It's Jumanji,
No.
one of Chris's favorite movies. Who's this, Chris?
It angry Dr. Brainstone.
Yeah, remember they got eaten by the hippo. Oh look, here's his action figure. Let me see.
Oh my God, so big, it's so creepy.
That is him. It looks like him. That's his eyebrows.
Mommy, look. Does an angry hippo sound like they make noises?
I don't know if that's what they sound like.
The voice is like,
Oh look,
like
there's
that.
the alien eggs. Did you wanna get an alien egg?
No, that's enough.
I thought you liked these ones though. You wanna get one of this? This is only $3. You wanna get one of this? It has it has Predator inside. This one is playing at Bubba House. Do you want one? Yes or no? All right. Okay, scan yours. It's on the bottom, baby. Okay, put it over there. Holy moly.
Mommy, look, let me go stack.
You stacked it?
Mom, let's take a video and then move over and see it. Boom, boom, boom,
They will see this while you're carrying it. Gimme, gimme.
Oh, you do that?
here, baby.
I think there's a woman snack.
No, wait, hold on here.
Don't you know?
Give me your hands. Hey, settle down. All right.
This is a new Bakugan. A tortoise Bakugan. I know, but it's not tortoise Bakugan. It looks bad to me, but don't worry about it. You have the lean on leg like a turtle, and then on have a long tail today. And you have turtle legs.
I need that too.
When I was driving in, it started to come down. I had to reverse the car.
Yeah, I am opening a
No, the gate.
Put the thing
and I open it and Bakugan. Mommy, there's just lines over there. Mommy, there's just lines.
Oh, cool.
You open it. Mommy.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby.
Can you help you guys build these lines?
Oh, baby.
I need scissors to cut them. Oh, I don't need. Oh yeah, I don't need anymore. Oh my god, that be strong. Could you help? Oh my god. Oh, that. I need to put that together. Okay, there's this shell. Like that. And like that.
Mommy has her scissors.
And then you can down. I don't know. I can see. Still check. Oh, okay. The British who buys oh my god. Mommy did this a
So
whole
did you do my story about the adult out of pop?
Mommy, you almost got to get all the
Okay, hold on,
cards
baby.
out there.
Mommy will help you. Oh, right here. On top this side. Okay, is that everything? I'm going to throw this away. Is that everything?
Maybe. I never found this.
It's me, my friend.
Now, could you open it for me?
Okay, baby.
Probably is this.
Take it that shine, take it
That's pretty disciplined, bro, when you go to Vegas so much. That's true. No messing around.
I think it's he doesn't like the taste.
You like the taste of my card lemonade. That shit is fire.
Well, he likes soda, so I was like telling him he should drink like the seltzers.
The what?
Like the seltzers. Like I was like, you like soda, so I was like, would you want to try this?
Because it's so easy. Like you just pop it open.
Yeah.
Like when you try to like mix it, or you gotta have something.
I've been like lately when I drink, that's what I've been drinking, and I'll drink like 2, but I don't even drink. Like I rarely drink, but I'll drink 2, and I'm like, okay.
Mommy, are these wings?
Yeah, that looks like it's his wings.
But Toy's gonna fly, right?
Well, I don't know. He's a Bakugan, so maybe. Oh, there's his card. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in the trash. Hey, look at mommy. I'm gonna throw this in the trash, okay? Oh, this goes in his. This goes in on his side.
Yeah, and
How
then
does it, you know how to set him up?
and the magnet is at his tail.
Oh,
This little thing is $15.
yeah. Online it's like 12, but they don't price it.
Cruz, what did you get?
Got a
Talk quiet.
I got a Bakugan tortoise.
Not the same one as your cousin's?
Well, he wanted that one, and then he saw this one, and he was all like, "It's a turtle," and he was like, "Oh yeah, I love turtles. I forgot." No. He said, "My, I remember now." You got it? Uh-oh. Oh, this it shows you step by step.
Okay.
And then you pop it on this. Oh.
There. Creepy.
No, Chrissy, don't say things like that.
What they might be good. That's supposed to put on again. My cousin. And his back here and his whole legs come down. Yeah. Go down. And then put the tree down. Go down. And then put it there. And push it down. There.
Put his head, and then his tail is last.
Oh, yeah.
Is it working?
Not anything yet, because that's really. It's not working, it's stuck.
Okay, hold.
Keep
Let me do
coming.
it.
You like that Bakugan too?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Appa.
Okay,
You didn't have that turtle one before? Looks like one red one that we have.
No, they're all that color. There's like a series of different
yeah, there's different colors.
colors. How do you put these on? Try
Oh.
putting those things on. And then this, where does this go?
Oh, this goes over here under these
Oh.
crystal toys.
Oh, is this his weapons? Is
Yeah.
that like his missiles?
No, those are not pistols. Those are maybe
Okay, let's see.
maybe
Here, put it down.
dangerous.
Oh, he looks cool.
It's not. Mommy, it's not cool.
Okay, what is he then?